When you're locked out of your car, you may think you need an automotive locksmith. And while it's true they can help you unlock your car, they can also do so much more. Most automotive locksmiths can also program car keys, replace or rekey ignitions, cut new keys, program remotes, and rekey car door locks. It takes years to become a well-rounded automotive locksmith, especially when it comes to decoding and picking locks. It's important to note that not all locksmiths can work on every type of car. Cars such as Volvo, VW, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and Land Rover require specialized equipment and key-cutting machines. When calling a locksmith for a quote, pricing will vary depending on your car's year, make, and model. The service you require will also impact the price, whether you have a working key or not, if the battery is dead, if the car is locked, and what kind of key fob your car requires will dictate how much work your technician must do. A skilled locksmith will be able to provide you with a very accurate quote before arriving on site. For an instant quote from a verified automotive locksmith in your area, visit 1-800unlocks.com.